Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to look more confident instantly. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'll be going over 6 things that you can do to look more confident instantly. Let's get into this. Number 1, stand or sit up straight. So if you're slouching, okay, when you're sitting, it doesn't look confident. And if you have poor posture when you're standing, it doesn't look confident. If you're sitting, sit up nice and straight. If you're standing, stand up nice and straight. Pump those shoulders back. Get your neck nice and straight. Stand or sit up straight. It's as simple as that. Moving on to number 2. Number 2, make eye contact. Look directly at the person that you're talking, eye to eye. Eye contact. We have a tendency as human beings to look at their mouths or their nose around here. Eyes, eye contact, make eye contact with them. It will, and you'll notice when you're looking at someone and you're talking to someone, or when you're listening to someone, talking or listening, whatever you're doing with someone, when you're interacting with someone, and you're looking at their nose or mouth and you make eye contact, they're like, you can almost see them be like, whoa. So just make eye contact, and you don't have to lock eyes like this, but just make eye contact. It is a confident thing to do. So make eye contact when you're interacting with someone. Moving on to number 3. Number 3, speak clearly and calmly, okay? When you're speaking, speak clearly and as calmly as you can. Right now, I'm talking fast. That's how I talk in my videos. That's how I talk in life in general. I'm a confident person, plain and simple, and I speak like this. But if I was to speak more clearly and more calmly, my confidence perception, how people perceive me as, how people perceive me as being super confident or kind of confident would just go through the roof. So speak clearly and calmly. It will make you seem more confident instantly. You can see right now, just with me speaking, it actually works. I probably seem much more confident by speaking like this. But that's not how I speak. I'm confident anyways. That's not how I speak. But if you want to look more confident, if you're concerned about that, speak clearly and calmly. Moving on to number 4. Number 4, keep your hands visible. You want to avoid doing things like putting your hands in your pockets. Avoid putting your hands like in crossing your arms. Avoid like putting your hands behind your back. Keep your hands visible. By keep your hands visible, it allows you to just look more confident, plain and simple. Number 5 is use open body language. By open body language, I mean don't keep your body closed, keep your body open, take up space. Keep your shoulders back and out. Use your hands around, okay? You move your head. If you're listening, take up space. Use open body language, not closed body language. Open body language. It will make you seem more confident immediately. Okay? Last but not least is number 6. Number 6 is slow down your movements. If you're going like this, and you're finicky and you're so fast, you don't seem as confident. If you slow down your movements, it allows you to seem more confident by working slowly. It is a key factor. By slowing down your movements, you'll seem more confident. Simple as that. Hopefully you can use these tips to seem more confident instantly. And it's literally that simple. That's all I got to say. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.